Hello, class of EDUU 520A. My name is Giselle Garcia, and this is my journal entry number 5 for the course. In this week's journal, I will be discussing the 5 key themes of the ELD standards in regards to my grade span. I will be discussing some academic skills that are expected of students at the grade level, and I will be describing how the California ELD standards work to enhance and support the CCSS ELA standards. Lastly, I will talk about some interesting points that stood out to me during the reading. To start, the 5 key standards consist of meaning making, language development, effective expression, content knowledge, foundation skills, and the grade level that I have chosen to work with is 2nd grade. Let's start with meaning making. What I learned from meaning making is that students at this stage are becoming more independent readers. They engage in challenging texts of interest. Teachers at this grade level ensure that students are also provided with opportunities for discussion and collaborative work, group work. This will facilitate the comprehensions for students. Teachers also ensure that they pose more questions and ask students to clarify meaning by engaging to look back at the text and identify important key features of the text. Academic skills that are expected to learn during 2nd grade includes they will be focusing on disciplinary core ideas, including ecosystems, interactions, energy and dynamics, biological evolution, unity and diversity, Earth's place in the universe, Earth systems, matter and its interaction. For language development, I learned that this is the point where students start to make sense of word choice. This is the point where students should be exposed to many opportunities to learn vocabulary and learn the meaning of it. Academic skills that students are expected. They are expected to learn how to use a dictionary, the glossary, and this is both in print and digital. For effective expression, I learned that students should be provided frequent practice to express themselves orally and in writing. At this grade level, students also learn that the process of writing that writing takes time. For instance, they learn that they first need to get ideas together, they need to organize them, they need to get feedback, and they need to draft. Academic skills that are expected is students are expected to have conferences with other peers and use that feedback to revise and edit the writing pieces. For content knowledge, I learned that at 2nd grade, students choose content based on interest. Academic skills that are expected for at this grade span, students will be learning about animals and habitats. For foundational skills, I learned that children are learning to read with more complexity. I also learned that assessments are crucial for determining whether children have acquired the prerequisite skills. Academic skills expected to learn include fluency, which consists of having proper rate, accuracy, and prosody. The California ELD standards work to enhance and support the CCSS because they complement each other. They pretty much serve like a blueprint. It guides the curriculum, guides the instruction, and also provides resources. They will increase the English language development to make it meaningful and a reachful learning. Some interesting points in the reading included Designated ELD is an hour that is protected during the regular school day. I found this interesting because during my school, this is often the time that teachers will decide to cancel. So this was an interesting point for me. Lesson planning should also should anticipate year end and unit goals and respond to students' needs and incorporate framing questions. And that is all that I have for today's journal. Thank you.